What I wish I knew before flying my first drone: safety first always. Flying a drone is like having a flying knife. Scary, right? It could hurt and injure you or others. So learn the right way to avoid danger. But don't worry, with the right tips, you'll be soaring safely in no time. First, always check your surroundings. Flying near people, power lines, or airports can spell disaster. Keep your drone in sight and avoid crowded areas. Next, know your drone's limits. Read the manual, understand the controls, and practice in an open field. And start it away from you. Trust me, trees and crowded people are not your friend. Remember to charge your batteries fully before each flight. Nothing ruins an adventure like a mid-air power outage. Lastly, respect local laws. Register your drone if needed and stay updated on no-fly zones. With these tips, you'll be a safe and smart drone pilot. Please subscribe to this channel so you won't miss our future videos about staying young, affordable ways to enjoy life, and say no to boring living. Thank you. Happy flying.